of the Bharatwaj, just notice the eyes are red. That's why locals around here call them Mapita. Bin piye aankh lal, bin piye Mapita. Okay. Okay. Can you tell me what is this? Tree. Sure. Tree is a
root.
So big. The roots are so big. Where is the tree?
No, it's a climber.
Climber, sure. Yeah, but climber, if you remember the definitions that we learned in school, climbers and creepers and vines have weak stem.
Yeah.
They need support, the root, etc., etc. I'm pretty heavy. So, does this need support? मुझे support कर रहा है. So will it be a climber?
No.
Yes, this is a climber, but this is a woody climber or a liana. Okay, and these climbers denote that the forest is very healthy. The bigger the stem, the healthier the forest supposedly. Because you can imagine if these run along for miles, ऐसे जा जाके इधर उधर सब जगह, and if one tree is cut, one part of liana collapses and it kind of gets rotted, decayed that way. So if there are many trees around and many fat lianas, so obviously there is no cutting around the forest. If you don't observe them, then the forest is pretty degraded. Now can you tell me where are the leaves? Plant hai to leaves to hongi. This is different. This plant is different.
There are no leaves.
There are no leaves. ऐसे कैसे? Plant है तो leaves कहाँ गए?
It would take nutrition from the other plant.
Take nutrition from other plant. No, this is
No,
not
no, it's right on top.
It is not a parasite.
Yes.
Because it doesn't get sunlight.
Yes, right on top for sunlight, obviously, because down below the forest is pretty dense. So obviously the leaves for sunlight would be on top. इधर कुछ wastage नहीं होगा leaves उगा के. Okay, so leaves need sunlight for kids. Sunlight for what?
For vitamin D.
For vitamin D.
For photosynthesis, food.
Yes, plants, as we all know, can make their own food. Okay, it I think would be quite boring. एक ही तरह का खाना. Okay, but jokes apart, the leaves are like kitchens. Okay, they have chlorophyll. The green color comes from chlorophyll, and they make their own food using sunlight, carbon dioxide, water, and some minerals. Okay?
Soil.
Yeah, soil. Yes, soil में minerals होते हैं, so they absorb the minerals. Okay, let's go.
Sorry.
Okay. Two things we need to observe over here. Can everybody see the fruits over here? Come a little bit closer. Yeah. Okay. So everybody can see the fruits of this shrub over here. Okay. This is called bartondi or shocker ball tree. Why? Because of the fruits. You can see there are bartondi in the sense in Marathi it's like 12 faces. Okay, so many of them have 12 faces supposedly, and actually monkeys use this a lot. For what? When they have stomachache or stomach problems, they eat this fruit and vomit directly. आपने सुना होगा या देखा होगा कुत्ता घास खाता है कभी-कभी. Again, that is for vomiting or if it has worms, it eats a lot of grass, so the worms get scraped out of its alimentary canal, because obviously there are no doctors around in the jungle. Now, so even if we eat, obviously we vomit. One more thing I would like to see this picture. Yeah. It is, okay, right over here, and yes, over here as well. Sorry. Yeah. Yes, it's a fungus. Okay. It's not a mushroom. I'll tell you the difference. Now, fungus, yes, it's a bracket fungus. Now, fungi are basically living things which can survive on dead matter. Decayed matter नहीं बोल सकते, because you can see there are some lianas which are very much alive और उनके bark पे आते हैं वो. Bark is dead as much as our outer skin cells are dead. वैसे ही bark रहता है trees के लिए. So they grow on that. Now fungi are also called as GMC of the plant world, because again they try to grow on dead and decaying matter. आप बोलेंगे जो मेरे ब्रेड पे आता है फंगाई वो डिफरेंट